Hey guys, today I'm testing out cleaning the copper pans with either a lemon and salt solution or the CopperBrill cleaning solution. As far as prep work goes, I've cleaned all three of these with warm soapy water and I've let them dry. We're going to begin by cutting this lemon, mixing in some kosher salt. We're going to scrub that in on the right side of this pan. I'm noticing an immediate change. Now I'm going to move on to the CopperBrill. Comes with an applicator sponge. Now let's rinse both of these sides off and check out how it looks. Now let's move on to this textured mixing bowl. And now to rinse this off as well. So this is the finished product. The right sides have been cleaned with the lemon salt solution, and the left side has been cleaned with the specialty copper cleaner. What do you guys think? There were some stubborn areas on either side that were difficult for me to effectively clean. What would you guys recommend as far as the solution? I chose not to clean this just so you can see a comparison. And all of these copper products, they've had about they've had about 10 months of corrosion build up on them. The textured copper pan appears to be the most challenging to clean. But yeah, let me know what you guys think.